Greetings from the Casbah firm, also known as Group 5. Our members are Mr. Charles Brown, Mr. Anthony Carter, Ms. Shannon Anderson, Mr. Brett McLaughlin, and Ms. Andrea McCarthy Gibson. Collectively, the members of the Casbah firm decided to ask the question, are we organized in the best way for the task ahead? At the end of month 3, the Casbah firm assumes control of Firm 5. The Casbah firm manufactures and distributes products as well as provide post-sale customer service via regional service centers. Even though Firm 5 has been in operation for several years, only recent past detailed historical data is available for analysis. There are two variables to take into consideration. Each calendar month in the year is assumed to have an equal number of calendar days, and there is no known time of year seasonality within product categories of interest. Our next question was, how are we doing? At the end of month 3, the Casbah firm outperformed the industry average in net income to revenue percentage and customer satisfaction percentage. However, the firm performed at the industry average level in the area of forecasting accuracy. Then we decided to answer the question, how and what are they or our major competitors doing? The major firms are performing at the industry average levels for measurable key performance indicators. Next, and finally, we ask the question, what factors are important for our success? We decided that in order for the Casbah firm to be successful, the focus will be on gaining market share. In order to meet this goal, the Casbah firm will make efforts to increase customer satisfaction and net income to revenue. Additionally, all key performance indicators will be addressed accordingly in order to implement strategies that will reduce the overall total cost of finished goods. Our agenda is as follows: introduction, overview of months 4 through 12, analysis, planning, evaluation, and finally, our conclusion. With a goal to gain market share, initially the Casbah firm will execute a just-in-case strategy. This will allow the firm to focus on availability, eliminate emergency production and procurement, and concentrate on product price reduction. At the beginning of month 4, the Casbah firm decided to utilize a SWOT analysis to determine our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. What we determined is that the approach taken in month 3 is aligned with the industry. Our firm has the highest market share in the industry, but we have the industry worst in unplanned production and emergency procurement. The firm was able to meet demand due to emergency stock, but this was done at a premium expense. Our analysis determined that we were required to come up with a plan for better forecasting. Our plan for month 4 was to implement a firm inventory policy of just in case. This will help eliminate emergency procurement as well as associated costs. We'd also be able to take advantage of quantity price breaks, ordered 1 million of alpha and beta. Our epsilon components will be delivered primarily by air in order to ensure arrival. We'll also use the growth rate to derive forecast figures, and we'll set our manufacturing at 90% service level in order to avoid unplanned production and associated costs. At the end of month 4, the Casbah firm lost 0.1% in market share. We did have the best in unplanned production and the highest net income to revenue in the industry at 9.9%. However, we also realized increased transportation costs by 6.9%, and our forecast accuracy decreased by 11.4%. Our 90% service level increased inventory charges, transportation costs, and product price. We also realized a decrease in customer satisfaction of -0.8%.